Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 5th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we're going to check out how we can comment our code in PHP. So in my text editor Notepad++, I've got a file opened and it's called comments.php, and in the file I have some HTML tags and I also have two sets of PHP tags. And let me draw your attention to the PHP code I have on line number 10. So I've got the opening PHP tags here, and then I've got the echo statement, and then I have a string value within double quotes, and the string is commenting code in PHP. And then I have the semicolon to terminate the statement, and then the closing PHP tags. So let me save the file and show you the output of this file in the browser. So comments.php is the name of the file, and there we go. We see the text commenting code in PHP. Now what has happened to the PHP code I have between lines 6 and 9? The PHP interpreter has just ignored this code, and comments are of two types. You can have single line comments or you can have multi-line comments, and to start a single line comment you need to have two / characters, and then you can type in your text. And if I would press the enter key here and type in some text here, you would see that it gets displayed in different color. It's displayed in white, and that's because Notepad++ doesn't recognize this as a part of this comment, right? So since I've used the two / characters here, I can have this comment go as much to the right as I want, but then it has to be contained on this line only. Now if I want to have a comment that spans multiple lines, then I can use a different set of characters to start the comment. I can type in the / and then I can type in the asterisk symbol. So this concept is similar to what we have in C++. Even in C++, you start your comment, your multi-line comments in this way. And then I have a comment that's spanning multiple lines, and as you can see, the word comment here is not being displayed in white. So that means that Notepad++ recognizes this as a part of the comment that I started on line number 7. And then I have the characters asterisk and the /. So you have to close it in the reverse sequence. To start it, you have to use the / first and then the asterisk symbol. Here you have to use the asterisk first and then the / symbol, and then I have the closing PHP tag. So this code, this entire code between line number 6 and line number 9 is ignored. And you would want to use comments in your code when you're working with something complicated, or when you are going to share your work with someone. For instance, if you've done something in a certain way, if you have a function in your file that you've created, and if you want other people to quickly understand what the purpose of the function is, then you can comment your code. And since I want the tutorials in this course to be short and simple, I'm not going to comment my code much. But usually when I program, when I make applications, or when I write code for websites, I usually use comments a lot, right? And it's a good habit to have, and not just if you're working with PHP, but with any programming language. So that's it for this tutorial. We're going to check out more features of PHP in the next tutorial, and I hope you guys had fun watching this tutorial, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.